of the projections of points in the second quadrant. So to do that, first we will go to AutoCAD software and switch off the grids and set the limit size. So we'll go for limits and specify lower left corner. By default is 0, 0, 0, you enter it, and upper right corner by default it is 12,9. You say 297, 210. Press enter key and then type zoom Z, enter, and all enter. Now we will going to fix the boundary. First we are going to take the line command. So consider any point on the lower left corner of the sheet and click on the first button of the mouse and put the ortho mode on by clicking on this, or press F8 in the functional key and click on first button of the mouse at certain distance, and again you drag it in the vertical direction, and again you click on the first button of the mouse and then press enter key. Now we need to draw the parallel entities. So first we'll go for offset and type 297. You type 297 and enter. You select object to offset. You select this vertical line and offset to the left side. And similarly, now we're going to terminate by, since default is exit, you just press enter key. Now again, your previous command is offset. You just press enter key and you set the distance as 210 and type 210 here. And then you click on this horizontal line, offset to the top side. You click on the first button of the mouse and then say zoom all, and then zoom 0.7x, that is 70% of the display screen, and then go to fillet. Since the radius is set for 0, you just click on this vertical line and this horizontal line, and similarly again fillet between this horizontal line and this vertical line, and again fillet between this line and this line. Now we'll go for zoom window and take near to the screen and then go to text. So you just click the specify start point of text as some point in the top left corner of your sheet and click on the first button of the mouse and the specify height as 4, then specify rotation angle as 90, 0. Now we type fifth problem. A point is 40 mm behind VP. Is 40 mm behind VP. 20 mm above HP. 20 mm above HP. And 30 mm slash 30 mm in front slash behind slash from LPP. Draw its projections and then give this some space and name this ID. So this is very typical to like when typing MS Word software, whatever the keyboard which will going to be used, the same concept is used, and you just press enter key and again you press enter, so it will going to cancel the command. Now we need to start with the drawing. So the drawing, it will be already available with you. So first we are going to draw the horizontal line and the vertical line. To draw that, first we are going to set the line thickness. So to do that, so go to layer command and here the line weight, to adjust the line weight. So you are in layer 0, which is the current layer. So the line color is black and the line type is continuous, and the line weight default you have to take it as 0.05 for the projector lines. You just click on OK. Now you close it. So go to line command, draw a horizontal line. You take any convenient point and then click on the first button of the mouse. Since the ortho on, you select any point and click on the first button of the mouse. Again you enter it. Then your previous command is offset. Again you just press enter key and then you just click on the first button of the mouse and drag it to the bottom side and click on the first button of the mouse. Now we have VP, HP. So go to text, put the caps lock on and identify the planes first. So here you type VP and then click here at the down, then write HP in bracket, then LPP on this side. Then the distance with respect to the profile plane is to be considered as the first one. So to do that, 30 mm is given, so go to offset, take the distance as 30, select this line and offset to the right side, enter. Then he says 40 mm behind VP, so offset, take the distance as 40, so type 40, offset, type 40, select this line and offset 40 mm, again 20 mm, offset 20, you select this line and offset 20 mm, then go to trim, you select this as the cutting edge and also this as the cutting edge, so object to trim, enter, object to trim, you select this line, you select this line and you select this line, then trim, select this as the cutting edge, enter, object to trim as this line. Now we need to go for donut, so donut, type 0 and outside diameter as 2 and take intersection of this and also intersection of this. We have the 2 points here, zoom window, you bring it near to the screen, and then here the top view is this and the front view is this, so go to line, type intersection of these 2 lines and at the rate 100 you take any distance, go by polar coordinate system 135 degrees, so it will going to crosses this intersection point and go to line and take intersection of these 2 and draw a vertical line, then go to fillet between these 2 and again between these 2. Then this is the final solution. Now we need to go to donut, 0, enter, you take intersection of this. Now we are going to get the 3rd point. Now once you get this, then go to break, select this, break it till here. Similarly, you select this, break it till here, and you select this, break it till here, and you break it till here. And go to erase, remove this. So once you do that, then bring it near to the screen and then go to break, select this and break it till here. Now we have the text, the text, put the caps lock off and the text, so select this and mark this point as A dash and you mark this point as A and you mark this point as A double dash. Then name the side view, so go to DDIM, go to DDM, go to modify, click on lines, offset from the origin you take it as 2, then symbols and arrows, take the arrow size as 4 and then you come down to text, then text height is 4, default arrow size, align with the dimension line, vertical you take it above, offset from the dimension line you take it as 3 and say OK and close. We will come down to DDIM again and now you go to modify and take the primary units, linear dimension you make it 0 and decimal degrees also it is 0, say OK and close it. Then you go to dim vertical, dim VAR, then take center of this to intersection of this, so you're going to get 20. Similarly, dim vertical, take center of this, take end point of this, so we're going to get it as 40, you take it. Similarly, dim horizontal, take center of this and then end of this, so this is 30, you take it. Then dim angle, angular, select this line and select this line, so here you will going to get it as 45 degrees. So now we need to have the leader LEA nearest point on this side and put the caps lock on. Annotation, you just press enter. Options, you just press enter and then you say none. Now again, then you just go to explode this and then delete. Then copy this arrowhead by selecting the window, select this, enter, base point, nearest point on this side to perpendicular to this. So you're going to get this point here. Then again go to leader, nearest point on this, you take vertical now, click on this, annotation by default, options is also by default option, you just enter, then you type none. Then go to explode X, type X at the command prompt, explode select objects, you select this arrowhead or the line, enter it, then erase this. So once you do that, now we have all the things has been done. Now we need to move it appropriately. You just go to A dash, select this A dash, move it somewhere here, then go to A and you select somewhere here, and A double dash, you keep it here. And then we need to move this here. Similarly, this HP, this VP, then leader, take center of this and then drag this, then keep the arrowhead on and you type this, annotation, options, then go to dtext and here you type LSV by put the caps lock on. So now this is zoom previous, so you're going to get back. So this is how the entire thing, you take it and place it wherever you want, then go to dtext, put, now you mark X and this is Y and this is X1 and this is Y1. Now we need to go for select this line and select this line and go to change, then go to the line weight and make it as 0.13. 0.13, you just select and you say escape. Now in this you just click the line weight display. So this is how you will be able to create this drawing in AutoCAD for the problem which was been given. So this is how it can be done. And move this XY and X1 Y1 line appropriately as required, so that you are going to have a good clarity of the drawing. So this is how you will be able to complete this drawing.